Alright, 3 exhausts, 1 bike, no excuses. You are about to hear what really changes. Today, it's stock versus budget versus premium slip-on sound test. And yes, this is the kind of research I do in the forest, so my neighbors can keep believing I'm a normal person. Test setup. Everything is warmed up, same location, same mic positions. For each setup you will hear warm idle, a 4000 RPM hold, 2 or 3 quick blips up to 8 to 9000 RPM, and the second gear drive-by through the same corner with a roll-on and an upshift. Quick audio note, no equalizer. I only did a small level matching, about ±2 decibel on a few clips, and I apply the same adjustments across all 3 so it stays fair. You will hear audio from Zoom H5, iPhone 16 Pro and DJI Mic Mini, and I will label on screen which mic you are hearing and if that clip has plus or minus 2 dB. POV audio is affected by wind, and of course YouTube compression will change how it translates. One more thing, the premium Sharon slip-on was sent to me by Rade Garage for free, with no script and no requirements on what to say or what video to make. If you want one, you can use ADV North 15 for 15% off. And the budget slip-on link is also in the description. It gives me a small kickback at no extra cost to you. Now, let's start with the baseline. Stock exhaust. This is a stock baseline. Listen for the idle tone, how clean it stays at 4000, and the character on the 8 to 9000 blips. Then we will hear it under load on the second gear drive-by. This will be our reference point. This is Does Cheap Sound Good option. And let's be honest, sometimes budget parts are a bargain, and sometimes they are a life lesson. Same sequence for this one. Now, the premium option, Sharon. This should be the most finished sound, cleaner through the range and stronger under load without just turning into noise. Same sequence as the other two. Okay, now the useful part, back to back. And for all these, we will start with the stock, then budget and then premium. First out is idle. Okay, now let's try 4000 RPM hold, stock, budget and premium. Now, Blips 8 to 9000 RPM, stock, budget and premium. And finally, drive-by, stock, budget and premium. Alright, my takeaway. Stock, the best factory balanced sound, smooth, clean, and it just works. It sounds actually great for being a stock slip-on. Budget, the biggest change per money, but whether it's better depends on what you like. Premium, a bit deeper than stock, which I thought wasn't possible, but also a bit more alive. Drop a comment below. Stock, budget or premium? Which one wins? Links are in the description. ADV North 15 for 15% off the Sharon slip-on, and the budget link if you want to check that one out. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Ride safe, thanks for watching.